a colorful and lively farm. Now, let's bring our lovely dairy cows home to their new farm.
Hello.
Wow, a group of little piglets is running around. They look so cute and playful.
Hello.
Wow, we did it! Our farm is all done. Let's look around. So many cute cow, pig, chicken, animals in the miniature farm. Isn't it fun and lovely? Thanks for helping today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh no! The cow is giving birth right now. Somebody please help her quickly. Help! Help!
I'm here. Let's bring the cows back to the farm, take care of them, and build a wonderful home for them.
Help! Help!
Okay.
Hello friends! Today we are back together to build a cozy little farm for our sweet cows. They need a warm and happy home, and with your help, we will make it the most beautiful farm ever. So, let's begin our story and take care of our lovely cows. Now, let's decorate the farm. We'll put up the fences, plant some green trees, and make a cozy little nest for the mother hen to lay and hatch her eggs. Our farm is getting more and more beautiful. And now, the truck carrying our herd of cows has finally arrived. Let's gently guide them into the farm so they can rest and enjoy some fresh green grass. Now, let's give this adorable newborn calf a gentle bath so it can feel fresh, clean, and truly loved.
Hello, my dear cow friends. Do you see how cozy and beautiful the farm is? This is your new home. Enjoy the fresh grass, the warm barn, and the peaceful life here.
Let's guide these strong and mighty buffaloes back to their barn. They've worked hard all day. Now it's time for them to rest in their cozy home. We've finished building this lovely little mini farm for our cows and other animals. Isn't it fun and heartwarming to see their cozy new home? The video ends here, but I can't wait to see you again in the next adventure. Bye-bye! Hi everyone! Today, we're going to build another amazing mini farm diorama together. This time, it's a special cattle farm with brand new barns and cozy shelters for our cows and cattles. Let's start it! Now, let's bring our herd of cows to their brand new farm. Now, let's plant some seeds in the garden and grow a beautiful pumpkin patch. Wow! The garden has grown some cute and funny little pumpkins. Now, let's take good care of our cows to keep them clean, healthy, and strong. Let's put up a sign for the dog's kennel and call our dog to guard the new farm. All done! Our brand new farm for the cows and other animals is finally complete. It's such a warm and beautiful home for them, with a bright, colorful pumpkin garden too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support Gabby Animals for more fun videos. Thank you, and bye-bye! Hey everyone! It's time for a brand new adventure. Today we're building a wonderful farm where both farm animals and wild animals can live happily together. Are you ready? Let's start! Wow! Dogs! Let's feed our cute puppies together, friends. Wow! Giraffe! Let's put a pond for the crocodiles. Wow! Crocodile? Wow! This crocodile is so fierce. Let's give crocodiles some meat to eat. Wow, a leopard. Cute, a cub leopard. Wow, a zebra. Let's put a pond for the swan family. Wow, a swan. Wow, American beef. Wow, a ostrich. Come on, let's place the chickens in their house.